So, good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
So, students, first of all, tell me that if you can see the screen, is the screen visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, students, today we are going to start with the very last topic of the chapter electricity, and that is commercial unit of energy. All right. So, let's start with the last topic. That is commercial unit of energy. Let me write down. So, the name of the topic for today is commercial unit of energy. As we all know, students, just hold on, somebody has joined now. This thing I dislike a lot. When I start, you join. Commercial unit of energy. Alright. As we all know, students, that the SI unit of energy is what? Come on, tell me what is the SI unit of energy? SI unit of energy is what? Anybody can tell me?
Joule.
Joule. Very good. Very good. The SI unit of energy is joule. But this unit we generally don't use commercially. We don't use commercially. Alright? We generally don't use commercially. Or in market language, we do not take it as joule. Okay? So what is the commercial unit, my dear? So this thing you have to remember, that the commercial unit of energy is, tell me, what is the commercial unit of energy? It is kilowatt
Kilowatt
hour. What is kilowatt hour?
per
Alright.
hour.
Kilowatt hour is the commercial unit of energy. Alright. How it is written in short form? Remember this, K will be small, W will be capital, H will be small. Alright. Kilowatt hour. Yes? Is that clear? So the commercial unit of energy is what? Students, come on, tell me. What is the commercial unit of energy? Tell me.
Kilowatt hour.
Kilowatt.
Kilowatt hour.
Very good. Very good. So the commercial unit of energy is kilowatt hour. This much okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now, sir, how this unit has come? How this unit has come? My dear, we all know that power is equals to energy by time. Yes or no? Power equals to energy by time. If I take the unit of power as kilowatt, yes, we need to find out the unit of energy. Yes or no? And we all know, suppose the unit of time is hour. Alright? So what is the unit of energy, my dear? The unit of energy has become kilowatt hour. Yes or no? From here we have got the unit kilowatt hour. Alright? We are multiplying power with time. Okay? Power into time is called as energy. So similarly it is kilowatt hour. Done? Yes, everyone? Come on,
Yes,
tell me.
sir.
Everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Each and everyone has
Yes,
to
sir.
understand this thing. Yes? Very important. Very, very important.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's good. That's good. Sure. Now you see. Okay, one question generally come in your paper, and that is, what do you mean by? What do you mean by 1 kilowatt hour? Okay, what do you mean by 1 kilowatt hour? This type of question generally come in your examination. Okay, so what will be the answer of this question? See, first of all, let me write, then I will explain. When an electrical device, when an electrical device, which will be the amount of electrical energy consumed by an electrical device of power rating 1 kilowatt when it is operated for 1 hour. Okay, see, the amount of electrical energy consumed by an electrical device of power rating 1 kilowatt when it is operated for 1 hour is said to have consumed 1 kilowatt hour of energy. Alright, you see, whenever there is an electrical appliance, electrical device, okay, of power, how much? Of power 1 kilowatt. Suppose, let me tell you, there is a refrigerator at my, okay, what I have? Big refrigerator at my, understood? Students, I have a big refrigerator. Am I audible? Students, am I audible? Come on, tell me. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Ah, you should talk.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, okay, let's go.
Yes, sir.
See, I have a refrigerator at my home. And this refrigerator has power how much? What is the power of this refrigerator? 1 kilowatt. 1 kilowatt means what, sir? 1000 watt.
1 kilowatt.
Okay, 1 kilowatt means what? 1000 watt. Suppose, this is suppose, yes? Say that I have a refrigerator whose power is how much? Sir, 1 kilowatt. When I am switching this refrigerator on, for how much time? For, sir, 1 hour. Generally in our home, refrigerator keeps on for how many hours? Sir, 10 hours, 12 hours. Sir, 24/7 refrigerator is on. Yes or no? But if at our home there is any electrical device, maybe refrigerator, maybe AC, maybe fan, whose power is how much? 1 kilowatt, and it is operated for 1 hour. So what it will do? It will absorb the electrical energy. How it will work? It will eat up the electricity. Yes or no? So amount of electrical energy it has consumed in 1 hour. Amount of electrical energy consumed in 1 hour is called as 1 kilowatt hour. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose
Yes, sir.
I am an electrical appliance and my power is 1 kilowatt, and I'm operating and I'm working for 1 hour. Okay. How much energy I will eat? That will be the meaning of 1 kilowatt hour. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Everyone? Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's good. So till now you have understood what is the commercial unit of energy. Next, my dear, you have understood what do you mean by 1 kilowatt hour. Yes, this thing I have explained to you. Now, my dear, if you have seen that's a commercial unit, CU mean commercial unit is kilowatt hour, and the SI unit is how much, sir? Joule. So there should be some relation. There should be some relation between kilowatt hour and joule. Yes or no? Both are the units, so there should be some relation. So now let's study about the relation between commercial unit and SI unit. Clear? Shall we start this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
See here. Sir, commercial unit was what? 1 kilowatt. Yes or no?
Kilowatt hour.
Yes.
Hour.
1 kilowatt hour means what, sir? 1 kilowatt into 1 hour. Tell me yes or no? 1 kilowatt hour means what? 1 kilowatt into 1 hour? Yes,
sir.
Dalma? Clear? So, my dear, we can say 1 kilowatt means what, sir? 1000 watt. Yes? Into 1 hour means what, sir? 60 minutes.
Yes, sir.
1 hour means what? 60 minutes. And 60 minutes into 60 करने से इतना second. Yes or no? So 1 kilowatt hour we can write down as 1000 into 60
Yes,
into
sir.
60. What will be the units? A second. Here second. Okay. Okay. Not second second. I'm sorry. It's not second second. It will be 1 second. It will be only one here second. Let me 1000 watt. Let me remove.
Sir,
And-
3600.
And we can write here watt second. Okay. We can. Just hold on. The cursor is not working. Yeah. 1000 watt.
Sir, we have to multiply.
1000 watt, and here will be second. Now you see 1 kilowatt hour is equals to how much? 6 6 are 36. 36 0 0 0 0 0. This much watt second. Alright. So we can write down 1 kilowatt hour equals to 3.6 into 10 to the power of 6. We know watt second means what? Sir, joule. Watt second means what? Joule. So we have understood that 1 kilowatt hour equals to 3.6 into 10 to the power of 6 joule. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So my dear, I think we have completed all the portions regarding to this chapter, electricity. Is that okay? All right, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay.